Welcome to this repair video on the Sony Vaio VGN B1XP. So this is a originally based Windows XP laptop, and the first part we're going to show you is how to remove the hard drive. So removing the hard drive from this is very simple. All we need to do is turn it over, unlock the battery, slide the unlock clip across while also pulling the battery straight out. Leave it off to one side. So to remove the hard drive, all we need to do is remove this one screw just here with a Phillips screwdriver. Like so. Off one side to keep it safe. And you can see there's two little ridges just here. All you need to do is put your thumb on those and just gently slide sideways. It can be a little bit stiff. If it becomes a little stiff, just a flat blade screwdriver in the gap area. Just a gentle twist. You'll see it just gently comes apart like so. And you just slide out. So, as with a lot of laptops, they come with a sled. So to replace the hard drive itself, all you need to do is undo the 4 screws around the outside. They should all be identical. Like so, which will then allow the hard drive just to slide out of its casing. So this one's currently got a 60GB hard drive. As I said, it's originally Windows XP, so it's a few years old now, and it's also a IDE drive rather than a SATA drive. So if you got a replacement one, all you need to do is slide it back in, like so, reattach the screws. There's no need to over tighten any of the screws in here, but they do need to make sure that they are flush tight with the drive casing, as they may get caught when trying to slide it back into the laptop. Once finished, what you need to do is match up the hole here with the hole on the case. Slide the drive back in till it clicks. Grab our screw again. Screw it back in like so. And then slide the battery back into place. So that's how to replace the hard drive in the Sony Vaio VGN B1XP. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.